Hi guys, Steph here, and today's lovely example is this beautiful Parker fountain pen. What we've got for you here is a Parker Victory fountain pen. This I believe to be the Mark 1. As you can see, it's what they term as the streamlined version, and it comes in this gorgeous, what they term as blue pearl and black marble, in absolutely gorgeous condition. It's one from my recent pen haul. It was a little bit tired, the ends were slightly discoloured. We've restored it, we've put a new sack in it, and it's ready to find a new home. So, as I say, a Parker Victory fountain pen dating from the early 1940s. The size of it, capped, is 131 millimeters capped. Around the sort of diameter of the barrel, it's a tad under 12 millimeters in diameter. Let's show you the barrel imprint. If we can see it over the camera, there it is. Okay, so the barrel imprint reads from the left Geo S Parker, and then in the middle, a little bit on the worn side, but it has Parker and then Victory underneath, and then to the right there it has registered TM or trademark. So as you can see, it's got a clear barrel imprint. Now, some of you obviously will know, but what we've got here is what we term as a button filled fountain pen. Now, what we'll do, actually before we show you that, let's take you up to the cap. You can see the cap has this narrow cap band there, and if we take you up to the top of the cap to show you the clip, you see it's got the very recognizable ball clip with the word Parker running down the clip. So this is the early version of this clip, okay, which is, as I say, is a ball clip. To the top, as you've seen, we've got this black finial which matches the end of the barrel. Okay, now these pens came in numerous different colours, numerous different sort of marbling colours. They come in some rare hatch patterns or colours as well. So yeah, well, this one, as you can see, as we've mentioned, is blue pearl and black marble. Superb pens. These pens make excellent everyday writers. They are a quality made fountain pen, and once correctly serviced and restored, this pen will last you many years and give you many years of writing pleasure. They are superb quality made pens. Let's give you a couple of sort of regular twirls, show you the different angles, etc. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. As I say, fully restored and ready to go. You can see the section there, rather small section. It's got this ridge towards the nib, and then if we show you the nib there, keep it nice and still for you, you'll see it says Parker 14 carat, England 25. Now, as far as I'm aware, this may be a nib that has been added on sometime after it came out of the factory, because I do believe the nibs on these pens are generally the Parker pen with the N on the bottom, which is the New Haven nibs. But although saying that, this may have been added sometime sort of after the pen was made. But saying it, it's a correct nib. Well, it's not the correct nib, but it fits correctly and everything is lovely with it. It's got a lovely, as you can see there, it's got plenty of tipping to the end of the nib. Let's show you the feed underneath. It's got the standard sort of comb feed of that particular period, and as always you can see everything has been cleaned, ready for the new customer. So how does it feel in hand? It feels very, very nice indeed. Very comfortable to write with. As we said earlier, this is a button filler, which means if we actually unscrew this blind cap to the end there, and you can see it's got this brass button there to the end of the pen, and how it fills, simply dip the nib in the ink, and what we do, we press on this button numerous times to fill the new sack inside. Now I'm not going to fill the pen because, as I say, it's ready to go to a new customer. So what we'll do, we'll simply do a dip test just to see how the pen writes, how the nib feels. So I've got my ink to the right here. Let's do a little bit of a dip and let's see how it writes. So what we have is a Parker Victory from, I'm just going to say, the early, can't even write today. Let's give it another dip. There we go. So early 1940s, maybe through to the sort of mid 1940s, although it doesn't say it on the pen. It's actually made in England. And what I can tell you is the pen is writing very, very smoothly. It's a lovely writer. No, there's no variation in the line, so I wouldn't say it's a flexi nib, but what I will say, it's writing very nicely. I would say, I don't know, sort of maybe a medium line, but writing very, very smoothly with this gorgeous nib. As I say, it's got plenty of tipping to it, so it's no surprise that it's writing so nicely. So what we'll do, we'll clean it after the video, and there we have it, a lovely example of this Parker Victory from the early 1940s in this gorgeous blue pearl and black marbling. A gorgeous, everyday, sturdy, quality made pen. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, as always, leave a comment. Don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, you need to subscribe now. And don't forget, give the video a thumbs up. A lot of you people forget it, but give it a thumbs up, please. And last but not least, as always, wherever you are, please stay safe. But I'll just say bye bye for now.